Hi, I'm Christian from UpstreamSquad.com, and today I will show you how to create a bouncing ball delay effect in FL Studio. If you're using a different DAW, it's all good because you can apply this technique in any DAW and with any delay plugin, even with the stock ones. Let's get into it. This is a bit I made to show you how powerful this simple technique is. I started with a short percussive lead sound, and this is how it sounds without the bouncing ball delay effect applied. Okay, now let's listen to it with the bouncing ball delay effect applied. Quite a difference, right? Okay, here's how to create this effect in any DAW and with almost any delay plugin. First, let's set up a simple delay. We will disable the previous instance because we're going to recreate this from scratch, and then you can load your favorite delay plugin. Here I will use Fruity Delay 3, which is a stock FL Studio plugin. If your delay plugin has a pitch changing feature, you should disable it. In Fruity Delay 3, we will enable keep pitch because we want all our delay repeats to play the same notes as the original sound. We don't want any change in the pitch of the sound. Then the next step is to set your feedback level in a way that fits your track. Here I will set it around 80% because this is what fits this particular track well. Under output, set both wet and dry knobs to 100%, like they are here by default. If you're using a different delay plugin that has a dry/wet knob, set it to about 50%. This way, you will keep the loudness of both the original sound and the delay repeats unchanged. Let's hear how it sounds so far. Once you have a simple delay set up the way you want it, here's how to create the bouncing ball delay effect. It's super easy. All you have to do is to set the delay time to milliseconds or disable tempo sync, like here in Fruity Delay 3, and automate the delay time to drop from a higher to a smaller time interval. Let's automate the delay time knob. On this track, I have the delay time automated to drop from about 190 milliseconds to 0. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Let's hear it in context once again. As you can see, the bouncing ball delay trick is a very simple and effective way to spice up your sounds. It probably works best on short percussive sounds, and with the right automation you can get great results on other types of sounds as well. For example, you can try using this trick on rap or pop vocals to create an interesting transition at the end of a vocal phrase. Alright, now that you know how to create a bouncing ball delay effect, go ahead and apply it in one of your tracks. When your track is ready, upload it on YouTube, SoundCloud or Instagram, then post a link to it in the comment section below. We will share our favorite tracks in our Instagram stories, so add your Instagram handle too if you want us to take your profile. Until next time, have fun making music. To the top!